Hi students, welcome to Monzan virtual class. In this video, we are going to see the topic plant anatomy and plant physiology. Under this topic, we are discussing about internal structure of dicot leaf. Dicot leaf is otherwise known as dorsiventral leaf. Dorsiventral leaf is nothing but they possess dorsal and ventral side. We use the term dorsal instead of upper. We use the term ventral instead of lower. Okay. Let's see the internal structure of dicot leaf. For example, mango leaf. First, we want to know the difference between dicot and monocot. Monocot and dicot leaves differ in the arrangement of veins. Okay. See the two picture of a leaf. First one, the veins are arranged to look like a branch. See, the veins are arranged looks like a branch. See the second picture, have a parallel leaf vein. Because of the arrangement, they differ monocot and dicot. Is it clear? The next, the transverse section of dicot leaf shows the four structures. Upper epidermis, lower epidermis, mesophyll and vascular bundle. Dorsiventral leaf. Internally, the leaf is differentiated into upper and lower epidermis. That means dorsal mean upper, lower mean ventral. And mesophyll, which lies between the two epidermises, that is upper and lower epidermis. Mesophyll present between the lower and upper epidermis. Okay, is it clear? The next, first let's see the upper epidermis. Where it is present? It is present in the outermost layer. It is present in the outermost layer of the leaf. It's made up of single layer parenchymatous cells without intercellular spaces. There is no spaces between these cells, upper epidermis cells. The outer walls of the cells are cuticularized. Cuticularized is nothing but it is made up of cuticle. Okay, this is upper epidermis. The next is lower epidermis. See, this is the lower epidermis. This is also a single layer parenchymatous cells with a thin cuticle. Upper epidermis have a thick cuticle, but lower epidermis with a thin cuticle. It contains numerous stomata. Stomata is numerous in number. Chloroplasts are present only in God cells. The presence of chloroplast, what happened? Photosynthesis takes place. God cells and epidermal tissues only consist of chloroplast. This lower epidermis helps in the exchange of gases. Okay. Then let's see the mesophyll. Meso means middle. Meso means middle. Fill means leaves. Fill means leaves. So, it is present between the upper and lower epidermis. Ground tissue of the leaf is also known as mesophyll. The ground tissue of a leaf is also known as mesophyll. It is differentiated into palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. This both of them called mesophyll. First, let's see the palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma is just below the upper epidermis. See, present just below this is the upper epidermis. Palisade parenchyma present just below the upper epidermis. See the cells, structure of cell. The structure of cells is elongated, vertically elongated. Chloroplast present only in the God cells. These cells have more number of chloroplast. These cells have more number of chloroplast. These cells do not have intercellular spaces. So, and they take part in photosynthesis. They do not have intercellular spaces and they take part in the photosynthesis process. The next one is spongy parenchyma. See, here is the spongy parenchyma. It is found below the palisade parenchyma. After the palisade parenchyma, spongy parenchyma is present. Cells are almost spherical or oval and irregularly arranged. That means not a specific pattern of arrangement is there. The cells, there is no specific pattern of arrangement. They are irregularly arranged. Cells have intercellular spaces. See, these cells, these are the intercellular spaces between the palisade parenchyma. It helps in the gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange means it takes carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen during photosynthesis. Then let's see the vascular bundle. Already well known about the vascular bundle. Yes, xylem and phloem consist of vascular bundle. Okay, vascular bundle are present in the vascular bundle are present in the midrib and lateral veins. Here, these are all known as vascular bundle. These are all known as vascular bundles. Are conjoined, collateral, and closed. Conjoined means nothing but you already known the arrangement of vascular bundle because conjoined means xylem and phloem present in the same radii. Yes. Then it is collateral and closed. Each vascular bundle surrounded by a see each vascular bundle surrounded by a sheath of parenchymatous cells. So this is known as bundle sheath. Each vascular bundle surrounded by a sheath of parenchymatous cells. So these cells are known as bundle sheath. Each vascular bundle consists of xylem. Xylem present towards the upper epidermis. See, xylem present எதை நோக்கி இருக்குது? Upper epidermis நோக்கி xylem இருக்கும். And phloem towards the lower epidermis. Phloem எதை நோக்கி இருக்கு? Lower epidermis நோக்கி. So these are all about the structure of transverse section of leaf. Thank you for watching.